Hey guys, it's Narelle here and welcome back to a new video. This is going to be an updated form of my room tour. If you guys didn't know, I did a room tour ages ago and I think that's my most popular video on my channel because I stepped in my pancakes in that video. So everyone's like, Narelle, don't delete that one. So it's still up. I'll link it on the screen if you still want to see that one. So right here is my door. My door does not stay closed, so I actually had to use one of my shoes to keep it closed, just to kind of get rid of outside noise. On top of this bed, which is my sister's old bed, is clothes upon clothes upon clothes, so that would not be talked about. And this is my bed, which is very much so unmade. And down here are the shoes that I wear. I don't own a lot of shoes, guys. I'm just that one person that's just like, as long as I have a good pair of shoes, I'm fine. So, right here is my pocketbook, aka my bag that I take everywhere. My wallet's in here, so I have a Project Diva strap on it. This came with the 3DS game, and I just got this Legend of Zelda keychain. So that's what makes it jingle really loud. And I actually do have Amanda's bottle cap keychain that I got from her a couple of months back. So that's all that's on my wallet. My dresser really has not changed. So right here is my body stuff. I'm not going to go through it because it's just lotion, all that good stuff that goes in your body. And right here is my video game temple. None of the games really changed. The only new game I got was the Sky 5 and the Project Diva Mirai DX game. Other than that, I haven't really got any more newer video games. So right here is the plushie area. You have Link, you have Riku, you have a Tweety Bird plush that I have had for a lot of my years that I have been alive. And this is my sister's pink Yoshi. I just put it up here because she put it up there and I never moved it. So back here is just junk. It's just pens that I don't use and all that good stuff. Right here is actually a piece of coral that my sister's husband gave to me and my two brothers because they went to the beach and he picked up a lot of coral. And right here is a My Little Pet Shop bobblehead that my brother gave me. So it's been right here. And this is a Christmas card that I got a week ago. So that's been there. And over here is my deodorant. And this has pens and stuff that I don't use. That has all of my mini toupees. This is the owl that I shattered to get all the pennies out of it. And this is the can where I keep all my spare change. This is a bank that I don't use, and here's my jewelry, batteries, my woodless colored pencils that I don't use, which I should, and other little knickknacks that are on my dresser. And on the side of my dresser is a old book bag that I have, two pictures that are broken, and I have my very big Pokemon poster that I got for free from GameStop back there. So, alright, so now we're at the lower area right beside my dresser. So, right here is where I keep all of my pens, all of my cheap markers, and my Prismacolors, which are right here. I actually think it's actually a very neat system to keep all your stuff in buckets because you can easily grab it without, grabbing many other things. So this really works a lot for me. This has a lot of junk in it, to be honest. I have a lot of junk, guys. And underneath here is my Crayola coloring pencils and those Prismacolor pastels that JMI gave me, I think last year, I believe so. So right here is actually a pink little tub here. This has like some more junk that doesn't need to be taken out. This is my newer pencil sharpener that I got from Walmart for 97 cents, and I freaking love it. Here's one of my jelly rolls. I have 3 of them. Here's a washi tape. Here's some pennies, and this is the watercolors that I use for my newest cheap art supply challenge. This is a photo album that's going to be filled with my friends' prints, the smaller ones, because I figured I want the originals to be where the other originals are. And this is basically my setup for my recording, guys. Like, I don't have a fancy setup. I don't have a tripod. This is my tripod right here. But and all of these boxes are like anime merch, all that good stuff, and I feel like I don't want to go through it in this video because it's just a room update. So if you guys want to see what's in here, let me know. So now I'm going to scoot over to this pink thing, and if you guys don't remember, this used to be over there, but I switched it over here because I just didn't like the fact that I will have to go all the way to the other side of my room just to look at an art book. So on top of this thing is our Wii games. This is my Mod Podge, which needs to be put in those containers down there. These are actually my guitar picks because if you guys don't know, I recently got an acoustic guitar that I'm currently practicing right now. This is a necklace that I don't wear anymore. This is actually the cup that's filled with all the inks I have. I recently got this one for Christmas. I got 2 more inks. The black one is this in a vial, and I have another ink that I got from my sister's college that's in here. So yeah, that's basically what's in here. That's a drink that I need to throw out because it's watered down, and watered down juice is horrible. So down here is actually artwork that I recently did that I don't know where to put it, so I stuck it on top of this. And right here is actually all of my art books and other anime stuff. The newer art books that I've gotten this year is the Bleach art book, the Pokemon art book, Spirited Away's art book, and Rayhan's smaller art book, and that's pretty much all the new additions. All the other ones I've had for like years. I think I got the Skya art book this year too. I'm not sure about that one. I'm gonna have to retrace my steps and like see when I got that one. These are my watercolor palettes that I use. I mainly just do monochromatic stuff, so that's the reason why you kind of see one of the same color in all these wells, because monochrome is my life, man. And these are my Sakura Koi watercolors that I kind of just keep right here because, again, I don't use them that much because I'm not really a big watercolor artist. Here's my famous tape that all of you guys hate. A lot of you guys hate that tape. So right here is just my packaging stuff. That's my tablet. And all the rest of this has people addresses on it. I don't want to show that. But yeah, this has my cardstock paper I use for all of my drawings, and that's all right here. It has my prints that I recently did for Christmas, and I'm going to wait till my friends open their packages, and if you guys are interested in any of those prints that they got, let me know, because I'm probably going to order some more. And here are my headphones that I currently got. This is my brown sepia micron, and here is some scissors. I have 2 pairs. This is kind of the worser pair out of the 2. So on the side of this is trash bags. Not trash bags, but you know, food bags, because I literally have a really small room, and these really help out a lot when I have a lot of trash in my room. So if I kind of push this back, I have 3 drawer compartments, and this one's busting open, so I guess I can open this one first. So this one has basically all of my fancy paper that a lot of you guys like, and this has the camera I got from Mama, And this has my Black Rock shooter paper, and it's just packaging stuff. Nothing more that's in this one. Under that one is the crap drawer that I don't use. So this is all that glitter I bought for that shirt I had to make. Like, guys, if you want any of this glitter, let me know, because I hate glitter. And this is a charger that I can't even use because my phone is Android. So if you're in like a need of a lightning USB cable, let me know, because I can't even use that. And the top one has all of my Color Erase pencils, washi tape, the glitter I actually like using. I have Mod Podge. This should be in here. There we go. And has some liquid adhesive, which is the glue I use for my shirt. And it has a kneaded eraser I bought from my sister's college, because I bought it just in case I really needed it. Because if you guys don't know, I am a very hard sketcher, so that really will help out a lot. But I haven't opened it, so I guess I am good in that compartment. So that's basically it for what's over this area. So we're moving on to this dresser that is my sister's, but I made it mine because she doesn't live here anymore, so I'm like, my precious. So on the lower level of this dresser, it's basically junk, more junk. This is water that I'm basically saving for watercolor because I hate getting new water. Here's another one of those little cup thingies that has more junk in it. And this is basically a stuffed animal my brother bought me. And all of this stuff is my sister's, so I can't really commentate too much on that. And here's some more of my art supplies that I need to put in my pencil case, because I'm a lazy bum, and that's stuff that you guys shouldn't even be seeing. On the middle shelf is basically more junk that you guys are probably like, Narelle, get rid of it. But this is a cup I got from our state fair. I freaking love this cup. And yes, our state fair was in October, so I had this cup for 2 months. Do not judge me. And back here is my Froakie plush, because I freaking love Froakie. He is like the cutest thing ever, and I'm like, yes, I'm so glad I have him. And this is the favorite compartment that you guys are like, oh. And this compartment has not all of my manga, but it has a majority of it, and it has a lot of figures. So from right here to here is all of my yaoi, which a lot of you guys are like, yes, Nyrel. Right here are DVDs that are my sister's, but we actually watch them from time to time. And the rest of this is shoujo. So all of that is like shoujo. So as for the figures, I have Sheik from Legend of Zelda. I have Link from Legend of Zelda. I had Zelda herself, but my grandma threw her away by accident, so she's not here anymore. So here's Toon Link. Here's two more Toon Links. Here's Haru, which I got from SuperCon. There's Webigail, who I got from Terry. And this is Fuka from Disgaea. This came in the limited collector's box that I bought for Disgaea for. So this was a free figure. And right here is a Miku keychain that my brother got me from GameStop, because that's actually not a creepy looking pop figure. So moving on, in this drawer is my old sketchbooks. The ones I don't want to see anymore. In the second compartment is actually more old sketchbooks and packaging things, and some old art that I'm not going to show because it's hideous. So that's basically what's in this lovely compartment. And in the last compartment is actually the bigger artworks that I have, and Mimi's yaoi. I'm trying to hide this because my brother has been on my tail for having yaoi in my house, so I hid this one. So anyways, this has all the bigger artworks that I cannot put anywhere. And This is Domenica's sketchbook. Like, I throw all of my newer sketchbooks in here, and those are older sketchbooks because I don't have space for sketchbooks anymore, guys. Like, legit. I need to, like, do something about it. But, so we're at the last corner of my room. Right there is garbage. I keep my garbage in the little food bags, like I said. Right there is my water container. And this is another Pokemon poster. My brother got all of me and my other siblings one, and this is my school book bag, which I hid because I'm out of school for the Christmas. And that's my other bag. That's a pocketbook my sister got me, but I don't use it. And that's my dragon hoodie, which was my high school hoodie because I wore that every single day while I was in high school. And I was in high school for 5 years, guys, so that has been loved extremely too much. And right here is my Detmere light box that I got from Detmere, free for review. So I just keep it right here because it's too big to put anywhere else. Right here is actually the small sketchbook I got from my smaller artworks. This is cringy old art. This is a old sketchbook, and I think this basically just has art in it. Yep, it's just art right there. Oh god. Okay, so this is a bowl full of cereal that I need to throw away, more water, and I have more of that tape that you guys hate, and I have my marker and pencil and pen and brush compartment because, guys, I suck with putting my stuff everywhere. And then the thing I hid was my underwear, because I don't know why I have it up here, but if I showed it, I'm just gonna block it out because that's something that I shouldn't show you guys. I don't know why I derp on what I have in my room. And this is actually a derp drawer because I keep all of my special things in here and all that good stuff. And this is some gum that I thought I lost in here. I'm like happy. I'm a happy camper, but that has a lot of medical stuff. And this is something you shouldn't see either. This is more junk, but these are the better pair of scissors out of the two. Here's my wall plug for my phone because I'm using the charger right now to transfer videos. But this basically has our Wii controllers and art stuff. And this is more old artwork. This is a Shutterfly book because they sent that to me for Christmas. My old laptop case that I had to get for high school. All of those elastic sleeves that I got from Dollar Tree. I got like 6 packs of 20 for like free, and I'm like, yes Lord. And that's a Yu-Gi-Oh playmat, and I don't know what that is, and I'm not going to try to understand what that is, but yeah, that's it. And under here is a Yu-Gi-Oh box that my brother gave me. It's huge. But I keep all of my older sketchbooks in this as well, and I just kind of tucked it under here because it just takes up too much space in my room. So right here is actually where you guys are probably going to be more happy about. So this is my iPod. I'll record all of my videos through my iPod. This is the charger that I hate. This is my art rag for ink wash. This is my pencil bag that I got from Amanda, which I really love. It's such a good bag. And this is one of my gold gel pens. It's almost gone because I use it too much. And this is a commission I gotta work on. I don't know why I'm showing you guys the pre-sketches. Here's my eraser. This is the binder I draw on every day. I don't have a desk, guys, so I have to use a binder to draw on. But this is my sketchbook, which is a Canson Mixed Media sketchbook, and I put my own sticker on the front because it's just too adorable. I do have these for sale. I'm just thinking I should just give them as like free gifts because no one's really interested in buying any of them. And those are my chargers that I keep for my computer and stuff. And yeah, and as for computer, here it is. It's right here. This is my smaller one that I have to keep because my bigger one is dead right now. I broke it. So this is a really good backup because I kind of really needed a computer badly. So that's it, guys. That's it for my room. I'm sorry if it's not as extravagant that I guess you guys would have thought it would have been. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.